Let's take a look at some timing applications, see if we can look at some idiosyncrasies. So here we go. I have an input right here that I'm going to push, input 2-15, and because this is closed, this is true, I'll get true, true, and the timer will start timing, and it's going to time up to 5 seconds. Now, a cool thing that I did right here is I've used my enable bit to hold the timer. So all I need to do is momentarily press this. So I'm going to come right here, and I'm just going to momentarily press that and let go of it. I've let go of it. It's timing 3, 4, 5, and it went off. So what I'm having there is I'm having the timer timing light. So while this is timing, I'm turning on this light. So I'll push the button again, and you'll see that this light over here stays on for 5 seconds. There's my push, and I let go. My EN has, my instantaneous contacts have held it right here. And so I get memory, and it holds, and the light is going on. So remember, when you're doing outputs, you want to have the output or the bit or whatever you're controlling on its own rung. And then you want to have a timer timing bit or timer enable bit or the bits from the timer control the switches that control the output. So don't put the timer and the output in parallel or anything like that. You're going to get in big trouble, okay? Down here in run 3, I wanted to look at this. This I'm asking here is what is going to happen here? I got a timer 4-4 done bit and a timer 4-4 timer timing bit, okay? So the timer's going to time, and when it gets 5 seconds, this is going to get done, and it'll become true. And the timer's timing, so this is going to be true the whole time. So what is faster? Is the done bit faster, or is the timer timing bit faster? Because what I'm looking for is for one scan for this to be true and this to be true, because my reset's true, that I get this output on. Because if this light comes on, well, then it's going to hold right here. I'll have memory. So once again, while this times, is there a chance the done bit and the timer timing bit, just for one scan, gets done to hold it on? So here we go. I'm going to watch down here. I'm going to push my button again. There it is. It's timing right now. There it goes. It's going to time up, and it's going to get done here in just a minute. And it got done. Now, we didn't see this done come on. Just as up here, we didn't see this done come on because we had the timer reset itself. But it happens in a millisecond. So this did come on, but because I don't have memory here, because this light didn't come on, this must have come on just for one scan, and it must have did that after this one went off. So that is indeed true, that this times, it gets done timing, and so it goes from true to false, and this gets done, so it goes from false to true. And so we don't get memory here, and then one scan later, it resets. Okay, I went offline here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this. I'm going to go to change instruction type by right-clicking it, and instead of XIC, I'm going to make it an XIO. And at that point, I'm going to download this again and see if we can get that to work, okay? So this time, we have the close contact right here, and then so when it becomes timer timing, it should open up, and then we should have the done bit get done, but as that gets done, this one should go back to being closed. So I should get true, true, and I should get memory there. So let's see if that makes a little bit sense. Okay, so now I've got a true there. So I'm gonna go ahead and push my button again, and my timer timing went false. When it gets to 5 seconds, that occurs, and then the done occurs. So that occurs to make this back to true. The done came on. We didn't see it come on, but we know it came on because I have memory right here, which means that this was true and this was true. So they actually do go in the order here. So my final one looks here, says, is it okay to replace the timer timing with a bit? Because look, here it's close. So it's true here and it's true here. So it's making this true here anyway. So can I just kind of take this bit right here and replace it there like that and then run it? So we're going to go ahead and download that and see what happens there. So once again, all I did was replace the timer timing bit here with a bit, and that bit was tied to that timer timing anyways. So that's what we've got going. Does that work? Let's let it download. We'll do a quick run. Okay, so we're here. So we're here again. I'm going to go ahead and give my button a push, and it's timing. And I got this, and after 5 seconds, I didn't get the light. Okay, before I had the timer timing bit right here, and when I push the button, I'll push it again. It's timing. I have the true there. So we're waiting for the done to occur. Done must have occurred because it reset. It's too fast to see, but the light didn't come on. So how come we didn't get memory that time? Because before all we did was have a timer timing closed here. And all we did was take that timer timing closed here and put a bit there and put the bit there. Well, that doesn't work because you kind of get like a double negative. So if this timer timing bit right here is a true because it's closed, then we get a bit that is true, so that when we apply it to a closed, it becomes false. Okay, so just kind of like you getting a double not making apply to there makes it a true, not a not. Okay, so got to be careful when you're tying your XIO contacts together like that.